Okay, classes. Definition. Classes are containers for methods. So, class example. Um, Here I've got a cat, class cat, um, and it's got a method called speak, and that speak just returns a meow. Think about methods in this context of classes. Sometimes we refer to methods as behaviors. So I may use that terminology or I may not, but just keep that in mind. So in this situation, we've got a class of cat and he's got a behavior of speak, and that speak will give us a meow. So when you have an object that uses those methods, we say it is an instance of that class. So now to create a cat object instance, we do the following. We instantiate the class using .new. So see this .new here, and say okay, spot is equal to a cat.new, and that will instantiate, that will create a new cat object as defined in the cat class that we defined here. Spot will be a new instance of this object. So each time I create a new instance, I'm creating a new object. See, I've got a spot here and a fluffy, and they're both cats, right? But I can see that they're actually different objects with object using introspection with the object ID. So I can use object ID as introspection here. So let's see, spot, oops, spot dot object ID, and let's get my hash rocket in place. And let's see, we'll put Fluffy in there. Fluffy, you're Fluffy, Fluffy, Fluffy. And if I run that, I can see that these are in fact two different objects. Let me kind of straighten that out a bit. Yeah, okay. So I can see these are two different objects entirely. Let's see, what else? The instance keeps track of its class, so when you invoke a method on it, it finds the method by looking it up in the class. So say spot dot speak, right? So objects have methods, and those methods are defined in its class.